Okay, hi, I'm Michelle. I've had a lot of people since I posted these ask me how I made them, and they're really simple. I've never done a YouTube video before, so I'm very uncomfortable right this second, so I hope I do well. So anyway, I'm going to show y'all how to make these real fast. Okay, so the first thing I did was I got a book page, and I use spray adhesive, so I went ahead and did this because I had to go outside and it was getting ready to rain. So what you're going to do is just attach your fabric to your book page, and then trim the fabric to that size. I also want to let y'all know this is not my original idea. I totally copied this. I couldn't tell you who from. I've seen it numerous times, but anyway. Then what I'm going to do after I have my fabric attached is I'm going to fold this into a point as evenly as possible. Get that down real good. And then I'm going to raise my bottom about right here. I'm going to leave like one line of wording in between there. And then I'm going to burnish this really good. And then I would actually take, let's see, take some glue. I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to run it right in here, just a little bit. Just like that. And then at this point I would go take this over to my sewing machine and I would sew up the side, and then I go around the point and back down the other side, which is what I did with these. Let's see, you can kind of sort of see the stitching in here. Maybe better on this one. The stitching there. And you can see it on the inside of the point also, and then up the sides. And then the glue will keep this down, and then that is your inside of your pocket. But you can also just glue these right here down, and it would be the exact same thing. And then you just fold this over, and you have a completed envelope, just like that. Oh, and one other thing is when you do this, make sure that the fabric, because one side is going to be upside down. It's either going to be this side or this side. And I did all of mine where this side was right side up and these were upside down. But it doesn't matter. That's your choice, really. So anyway, that is how I made my envelopes like these. So, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope I wasn't too wordy. And I hope you'll be kind and not dislike my video too much. It's my first time. I was scared to death. So anyway, thanks y'all. Bye.